In this video, I'm going to show you how to take some beats that you have learnt so far and play them around the drum kit. So far, everything we have learnt has been on the kick, the snare, and the hi-hat. What I am going to do is I'm going to move my right hand off the hi-hat to a different cymbal or a different drum to create a different sounding beat. So, starting off, I'm going to start on the hi-hat and I'm going to move my way around, and you can follow along at home if you're practicing. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. If you would like to book a lesson with us or come see us in person, you can visit us at elliotsmusicacademy.com.